Hello, so we are back. Same day, Friday. And this time we have a nice job. This is my friend, he's sitting on the chair. Let me see if I can move the camera. Yeah. Oh no. So we have a nice TV. Let me find the model number. 1 second. So I just opened the TV to make everything short. I haven't checked yet. It's a Toshiba model 32dl934B. The problem with this one is completely dead. So that TV is completely dead. Yeah. So let's take the power supply. Let's take out the power supply. Yeah, I know it's no space here. It's no space here. Let's switch on the other one. Yeah. I'll just take out the power supply and we will test the power supply on the desk. And we will try to find the problem. I haven't checked nothing on this one. I just plug it and it's dead. It's no light. So let's see what can be here. Will be a hard job or an easy one? Be careful. If you take the board out, the board probably is still charged. And it's around 400 volts. So be careful. Yeah, this side is safe. Okay, let me try to move the TV. Because we don't need a TV. And you don't need a board. Okay. So let's check what can be wrong here. So let's plug the board. Now the board is plugged. Let me put a multimeter on the screen. Okay. Have the multimeter. So let's check first the high voltage. High voltage, you can have a look for the big capacitor, 400 volts capacitor, and the capacitor is here. And my GoPro frozen. Okay. Yeah, so that's happen when you play with high voltage. Yeah, so let's check again. Hopefully it will be working. So we have nothing. I don't know what's that. 1 second. So it's volts. Okay, now it's volts. And we have 340 volts. So we have the high voltage there. Okay, that's bad. That means we should have a 5 volts power supply. So let's check for the 5 volts. Or maybe not. So I have two big choppers. We have one here. Okay. And we should have some voltage here on this case. And I have nothing. What about here? Here looks like someone already replaced something. Let's check the diodes. Let's check the diodes. Diode mode. And they have these two diodes. That's good. That's good. What about here? That's 0. Okay, that's not good. What about here? 0. 0. Really? Zero. Let me check even with this multimeter with the other one. Yeah, completely short. So I think we found the problem. The problem is one of these diodes, 1 or 2. Obviously if it's in short, let me grab the other solder iron, because we need temperature, high temperature here. Okay, so we have a faulty diode here. I don't think you can see, but you have 3 diodes. Let me see if I can show you microscope. Okay. Okay, so what do we have here, yeah? Here are 3 diodes. Look like someone replaced already these diodes. So we have 1, 2, 3 all together, and here the other end of the diodes who goes on the chopper here. So they use 3 diodes to carry more amps. So probably each diode has 5 amps. Altogether are 15 amps. If it's one and short, it will not work. So let's check the diodes. I took one out. I took one diode out. Let's check if it's good or it's in short. This is good. So this diode is good. Let's take the next one out. Next one. The next one is out. Let's test it. The next one is good. Can be the last one. Let's check the last one. The last one. The last one is in short. You can see on the multimeter. So the last diode is the problem. What we can do now, because I don't have this diode, it's a SB5100. Maybe I have one. Let me check. Let me check. Maybe I have one. Okay, so let's see. Oh, okay, let's see if I have that one. I have nothing here. Because these are some Scotch diodes. SB5150. Nah. Okay, let me check another board. Okay, maybe I don't have, but let me check. 1 second. 1 second. Maybe we can find one. Even if we will not find one, we'll still fix the TV on different ways. Well, let me see. Wait, I think I found one. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. SB5100. F100. Let's take it out. Let's take it out. This is just a random board. 5100. 5100. Oh, that's great. So I found the diode. So let me explain why this happened. This happened because not all the diodes are the same. It's the same, like not every people is the same with the other, same with the diodes. So if you put all three diodes together, probably one will carry more power like the others. Probably one will be switching higher or slower like the others. So that's the problem. The load on the diodes will not be the same. So obviously one will die. But in my case, I found a diode. In many cases, I can't find the diode, and I have three diodes. So if I leave it like in this way right now, I can leave it like that, but just use thermal pads, yeah, around the diodes to cool out the diodes, because the heat is the problem. So keep in mind, if you take just one out and you go with two, just use heatsink to spread the heat. Yeah, so you can give back, you can give warranty, it's fine. In my case, I found a diode. So I will just solder the diode back. And I'm sure that's only the problem. Let me solder the diode. Oh, no, here. Oh, what I'm doing? No, here. Here. So even if you don't have the diode, just take the short one out and use heatsink for the others. Okay, and then last one. But like how I said, not all the diodes are the same, so One probably will carry more power, one will carry less power. Will be switching faster or slower. So that's the thing. Let's put back the board and test if the TV is working. Should be working fine. Let's check for short. Is short anymore? No, it's not. So that means I'm fine. 1 second. Let me bring the TV. Okay. Let's put the board back. I have 4 screws here. Okay. Should be fine. TV are easy to be fixed. Everything is big, you can see. Okay, let's check. Let's plug the TV. And nothing. Oh yeah, it is. I can see picture. 1 second. Come on. What should I need to press? So I have green light. These are no buttons here. Why here are no buttons? So I need a remote control. But anyway, oh yeah, we have no signal or something on the screen. No signal available. No video available. Yeah? Yeah, it's very dirty, this TV. But anyway, you see what the problem can be. And there are a lot of these TVs with these switching Scotch diodes, and they just go on short. But are like 3 together, but only one is going on short. If you have the diode, just replace it. If not, just use a heatsink. I done it before and no one come back. Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you probably Monday. Thank you.